Oh. Bakit?
Ano ba pong gusto niyong sabihin ko? In fact, the first days, I was not really close to her. But then, I discovered her personality and I was really surprised. And mas naging close kami, mas nagustuhan akong ikilala siya. And that's why maybe nothing.
Maybe what?
Wala po.
Mag-usap tayo ng diretso. Man to man.
Wala naman! My God.
Anong iniisip?
The fact is, nung una, as in, kapatid ang tingin ko sa kanya. And then, I don't know if it's something different or I'm just talagang masaya kapag kasama ko siya. I don't know if it's just now or if I have a crush for her. I don't know. I'm still thinking.
Marco?
Yes?
Naging teenager din ako. At alam ko ang sinasabi mo. Pero hindi naman mali yan. Confusing, hindi ba?
Opo.
Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo, enjoy being a teenager.
Yeah. That's the point.
Enjoy the feeling. Minsan lang maging teenager ang isang tao.
Yeah,
But the question is,
if
how responsible you will be.
kaya nga po, it's a big responsibility. I don't want to be the reason why she will cry.
I admire you for saying that, Marco. We are talking about this dahil gusto ko maging careful ka.
Opo.
Maging maingat ka on how you treat girls.
Yeah.
Naunawaan ko that isa kang malambing na tao. For one, Italiano ka. And second, isa kang teenager. But be careful. Because some girls might misinterpret your actions.